cashmere wood. It makes your house smell.
Yeah?
145.
Tid.
Tax high. The Americans say a pomegranate.
Alright, so I'm saying no. She challenged me, you know, guys. She's such a shot to keep hold the camera.
This is new to me. I never saw milk in a bag before. This is all new to me. The fact that I had some US dollars.
Yeah.
They looked at me like I had 4 heads.
Problem over here, not used to this, you know.
Come up front, come up front. No, come up front. May the people let me see you. Come.
330.
330, alright. What you feeling? What a rushing flight and nearly run late. Alright guys, how we look, we are back. Who is that lovely lady there? That's Mika. Big up, I say, where you run, God? May the people let me see you,
Hi!
Yeah guys, this is my good cousin from CT, from Connecticut, you know. She come visit with her son.
know.
So we're back at Walmart.
Finally made it.
Yeah?
About to go
yeah guys, she
shopping.
promised you for how long, so she
He got the big bucks.
So guys, I finally find back my selfie stick. You know, the last time I was here, I buy a selfie stick because I couldn't find this one. But I don't know, I find it back. So I'm in a good mood. So the crew is out, yeah?
Out.
We're going to do some grocery shopping. We're going to pick up some stuff. You know? Just go and watch what I go on. Be a nice this people.
Body.
But wait, so we need money for Charlie.
Yeah?
We need $1.
For free.
Oh, can I get it for free?
Yeah, up there, so. Some there.
So never pay for things?
No, not pay a fee, but in order to access
No,
it.
me just said no, this is
Yes,
not right.
you put the dollar in.
It's not right. It's not right.
Yeah, we can't get it. We can't get it.
Don't go for one challenge.
Yeah, we have to go back for your challenge. You want me to go for it? No, not your quarter. Our quarter. I think our $1 make me double check because yeah, a quarter or $1 it takes too.
This is unbelievable.
Alright, so I'm gonna go for your challenge. Guys, as you can see, the place full today.
I like green
You like green ones?
I like green grapes. Look nice and fresh.
You want a red one? Pick up a red and a green. Guys, me in a good mood, believe it or not. Just to have the perfect device, right, to operate with is a good feeling, right? Rashida hide my selfie stick and I find it back. So who I go pay for the one when I buy, the extra one I buy?
You can return it. You can carry it back with the receipt.
Or you give me back my money?
They don't want to return it.
You know me, I try to return it for real?
You can return it. What are
Okay,
you?
sure. No, me not like. Well, me not like him. I like that one.
Can't tell them that.
Of course not. So you're loving the trip so far?
I'm loving it.
Yeah?
Loving it. Different area code, different scenery. Loving it.
Everything nice so far.
Yep.
Right? Yeah, I look forward to. Wait, camera look pretty, man.
Because I'm on it.
Granted. See, Mika they are flirt with the viewers a while ago, Rashi.
What she say?
Eh? But me already have one of them fish, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not buying no more fish. Well, I mean, I mind them. Especially the one here. Guys, it's one of my favorite fish to buy.
What kind of fish though?
I think a tilapia.
Tilapia? Okay.
Yeah.
Like tilapia.
As a freshwater
fillet.
fish. As a freshwater fish.
Like the fillet
Or
tilapia.
pan fish or whatever they want to call it.
Okay. I like salmon. Do you like salmon?
Yeah,
Yes,
I love salmon. Guys, this is the first time I come Walmart. Say that again?
You don't need no red pepper, green pepper.
You have no soup? This is the first time I come Walmart, guys, and it's so full. Never seen this before. Yeah, Mika, you bring the crowd.
Hey people, so she look fine. Problem over here, not used to this, you know.
No. Rashid, the boss way. You get company.
Yes.
You get
The
company.
arms house, I love it. We love the arms house, you understand?
Yeah, make sure you don't miss no vegetable item. She said, what these guys are doing?
You want celery, Jeremy?
Why are they?
Why they do? She's crazy.
Don't miss stuff, you know. You have pepper. Alright, so.
Jackfruit. Look, that one that look
Jackfruit,
nice.
yeah. And them eat sweet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rashid always pick them up. Papaya.
Pomegranate.
What the difference between this and panganut? A panganut is?
Pomegranate.
Rashida, is this panganut?
We call it so, but that's not the right. She has the right
So this is called a pomegranate.
Hold on.
American terminology.
Say it again.
The Americans say a pomegranate.
Okay, me can't say it.
tongue twister.
Yeah. So guys, we got the panganut, right? Warm to the jackfruit. Jackfruit look good, you know. Or you buy it on special.
You love buy for special.
Cause nobody, you want to show up to Mika there?
Don't show up because I'm here.
No man, grab your what we're gonna do, we're gonna check over the special side. We are check over the special side if you get it. And if not, you come back, come buy it.
Alright.
Buy it for the straight price. Grab 2 of these for sure, Rashida. Strawberry.
No, why am I? We want $4 each? And it's so much?
No, it's expensive.
I
$2
didn't know
feet
if you sell
usually.
it cheap.
Normally we get with good Jamaican patty, right? Spicy patty. Yeah, spicy beef patties. And them taste good too from Patty King. Not bad.
I have barbecue ribs tomorrow for dinner.
Yeah. Oh, that bad in actually, I can make that tomorrow to that bad. Yeah. Guys, this is one of the special dishes. Where you gonna make with this now?
Spicy barbecue.
Pork?
Yeah.
Spicy barbecue pork?
Yeah. What is the name of it is? It's pork belly. So it's basically the fatty section with a bit of the lean section. Very nice and gummy. Uno cow food, so it give you the same type of taste. So we don't use no oil, we just use the oil that comes from the pork and just do the gravy and just glaze it in the stove, in the oven. Let me take this one.
The place full to them, you don't know where I go on, but you know it's a good look. There with the crew, I do some grocery shopping, eh? That's why if you hunt the oxtail, right?
Let me pick a piece. Which one?
Well, on oxtail raise. You see that?
You
This is $7.98. It was
That's a
$7.98.
good price. Because back home in Connecticut, it's like, I want to say $10.99 a pound.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very expensive.
Well, you can't ball too much then.
So you can't buy this, you know.
Guys, oxtail you can't do without that. At least once per month, alright?
Yeah.
I think it's too high for me.
Big cooking are going tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, we heard you guys have oxtail for free. You have free oxtail?
Okay.
For free. For free. No? No? You have to pay for it?
Which one you want?
Just pick one, Rashi.
Alright. Remember you did pick it the last time? The one that look fatty. Other one they look.
You don't pick anyone, Rashida.
Can I see this one? No, this one. Yeah. I wanted to cut one this way.
Oh, you did? I didn't do it the last time? Oh, you cut it for us the last time, right?
Huh?
You did it for us the last time? Did you slice it for us? Yeah.
This way.
Yeah.
Not too big.
No, not too big. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
Nice, thank you so much. Who's that guy? Yeah man, so we have the worker for the day, right? Yeah, our worker this for the day. Big up yourself, Jada. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Yeah man, don't be too shy.
Not really shy.
No man, I see it man, say shy. Yeah man, so him are the worker for the day guys, right? Him a push a trolley. Right, so far we grab some stuff. We're gonna reach nowhere yet still, but we're going, we're chuckle. Nice.
Sales.
No, that's it. How much is that? Oh, $29. How much pound was it? Oh, it's gone.
Put it back up in Mr. Chin. Hold on. Put that back up here, Mr. Chin. Oh, but it cut up already.
Oh, it's 1.4. No, I want it.
Okay.
No, I just want to see the price.
Okay.
Oh, so call it a 1.5. No, I just wanted to show the guys the price. It's good.
Alright, Mr. Chin.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So that's nearly 3 pounds for 20. Hold on, 2.2 that times that. 2 times 1.5. 3. Okay, guys. So that's just over 3 pounds, guys. Right, for 28, $29, not too bad. After tax. After tax.
That's not bad.
Yeah, after tax. Over 3 pounds that.
Where's the next aisle?
I1. So on I1 we have the international aisle.
Yeah?
We have our ramen noodle section. These are the Asians. These are for the Asian culture.
Wait, you been here before?
I haven't been here before, but I can tell by the packages, you know, Asians, Chinese. Shahaha.
Okay, so common sense is common then.
Yes, very common. Yes, this is the Asian dialect over here. Got your soy sauce, the oil, anything you need.
She loves jasmine too, just like
Jasmine rice.
not a
nice.
fan of basmati, don't you?
No,
We're gonna go to
rice is
the
nice.
TNT and get it.
Yes,
You got
jasmine rice is one of
TNT?
the
So
best.
we can't get it at
they
no
don't
frills?
sell the only jasmine them sell is this one. And it's not a real jasmine. I don't know, them have the one that the green
No,
one,
but
but the
yeah.
TNT have a selection.
Okay, yeah. Yes, jasmine rice is one of the best rice. that
I
you
think
can
so.
eat, especially in your rice and peas.
Yeah,
Yeah?
only some too sticky.
Yes, but the sticky ones are for the Asian culture because
Yeah.
they have a thing called sticky rice. They wrap it in
Yeah.
their bamboo leaf and it tastes good. And they put bananas, you know, the green banana, and wrap it in the what we call that dog yard blue jaws.
Blue jaws.
Leaf. Yes,
You
that
know,
is the
must have
Asian
put it
culture.
down?
Yes,
Oh.
and it tastes really good.
Oh, you had it before? You got an Asian kind?
No, somebody used to work with a Chinese doctor and they did have the Chinese girl we work with it too and she's a cook.
Oh.
So I used to make it that fun. So on this aisle we have the peanut punch from Grace.
This is the Jamaican
and this is the
Yeah,
Jamaican
man.
aisle.
Caribbean.
Guys, before we go any further, let's take a look at our sneakers.
My sneakers,
Yeah.
oh it's called
Really
hippies.
nice.
Nikes, hippies.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Comfortable.
$50?
It was 100.
Yeah, man, them bad. Alright, so I have to grab, you know the usual. What if you grab our stuff, guys?
You know, so we should have make a careful with the nutmeg bread.
Jesus, please,
I
Mika.
can get it and mail it to you guys. That's
The
no
nutmeg
problem.
bread.
That's no
Jesus,
problem.
every day we talk about that, you know.
So I can get it and mail it. No problem.
Guys, you have a bread.
do you need your
It's
code?
called,
Go over and show them that
it's
bread.
called nutmeg bread.
So she's the one who introduced us to that bread.
Yeah,
Yes,
man,
I
and we've
can
been
mail
dying
it
for
over
it. So
when
you
I
have
get
a
back home.
huge responsibility to go and get that bread
Yes.
and mail it to us.
For sure. That's on the agenda when I get back. Top notch priority express. You got it.
Alright,
Do you
good.
need your coconut milk?
So you,
For sure.
So guys,
Well, me know.
Or you use the
you see
can?
why we love Toronto or nearby Toronto?
Yeah.
Because our US counterpart can just come across. We're in the backyard.
Yeah.
We're neighbors.
Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. And that's one of the main reasons why we decided to come and live in that area, yeah?
You need the coconut milk?
No, I have the
Okay.
sachets is what I use.
Okay.
You see it? You see that? You see it, guys? Yeah, man, you hear good Jamaican in the background.
The one that catching the camera.
No, you won't catch her on the camera, right? But you hear that good Jamaican accent in the background. Yeah, man, that's a pleasure to be hearing that while you're in Canada. Yeah?
So them have jerk one, you know, so it's a good price, Maggie season. For the jerk one for $3. I saw this in Danford and it was selling for like $8. So Walmart doing a good job.
Yes, Walmart is called rollback prices.
Yeah, but they don't normally have this.
First time I
This
see
is
it
the
for
first
sure.
time, and in the Jamaican store, this is for like $8, and this is $3. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Can't left season, especially when you like it. You like cook, so
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Canada. Yeah. Jermaine, you want Malta?
Yeah.
You want Malta, Mika?
No, thank you. I'll take the coconut water.
Get that coconut water.
Yeah, Labor Day is the 5th. September 5th is the United States of America Labor Day. September 5th.
So they'll
Or
be
is it
keeping
the
up
5th too?
the 5th?
Yeah.
Is it a Monday?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, so you can leave
So
all
have a long weekend.
Friday.
Thursday, Friday. Yeah,
Leave the
whatever.
Thursday, Friday. What? That don't sound bad.
Yep. So it's the same for us.
Guys, a trip in the making. That's a trip to the US in the making, guys. It's a good look. So both countries share the same Labor Day,
Yeah.
September
This year.
5th. Are you sure, Rashida, that you look properly?
You seen it?
I mean, I see it still through the lens though, but persons
It's-
looking should be able to see it.
It's here.
Labor Day, Monday
September.
5th, 20.
fan.
All right.
Never
Yeah,
a
man.
fan.
That's a good look.
So it's the same day.
Okay.
Alright, we don't need anything else here, right?
No, next aisle.
You mean you want Malta?
You say, yeah. It's a long time.
Yeah, the catch it up with yourself. See if it drops.
All right, good stuff. We are going good. Come in. So we have top mall to go upon. You understand?
Yeah, because I said this a Walmart. This was supposed to $17 in a
So
Walmart.
Walmart's there.
This
So
is not
people think
supposed
so
to be
Walmart
$17.
cheap. In
Yeah, no.
Canada, Walmart is expensive with this stuff. In America, it's
So why you
cheaper.
can't just buy a $10 glasses? What happened to this?
There's nothing wrong with the $10. I'm going to surf and see what
UP in a band.
I left my shades them in my car. It's not bad
Oh,
too. You know, me like,
that look cute though.
yeah, me like gold frames. Yeah. I like this. I like this one. I like gold frames. It's cute. That's it.
You see? Yeah, it look nice. Have like a cat look. Look nice.
Yeah, especially my little finger waves.
Yeah.
And then later I put on little red lipstick.
You know? I can't. It looks so close.
Yeah.
Look good.
Yeah, manage me.
Try on something, Rashi.
No, I mean, I like them glasses.
You like them on there?
I like them glasses.
This one too. That look cute.
You and Jermaine like this, like similar glasses.
My style them there, you know. You see what I go on?
Yeah. You know?
Me, she a follow man. She always follow me, you know.
I know it's a follow me still.
This, the rose pink.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the one here.
This is cute. Rose pink.
You sure though? Over the other one?
Over the other one?
I don't know what
Oh yeah, take the two of them.
I'm gonna get this one on my face.
Okay, and not the other one. Let me see the other one again. Okay. Let's see what I go on.
But I do love this one, but it's too big. I think my face lost weight a little bit. and
Yeah,
not the food.
the first one nicer.
This need to lose weight.
I mean, a good man. We have a gym, you know, so guys, you're gonna see both of these ladies in the gym, right?
Yes, yes.
Right,
yes,
Rashi?
yes, of course.
Alright, good. Guys, so we're up on the aisle with Jada love. Chips, snacks, and all these things, right?
He wants chocolate.
Yeah, it must steer
He
pan.
doesn't want any chips.
Oh.
He wants chocolate.
Yo, they are the best chocolate that you know,
Give
man.
them the bag.
Shit, you love
Show
them?
them, Jay.
What?
You love them
Guys,
too,
let me
Mika?
show you what I want. Best chocolate around town. Look at that.
Them not have the fruits and nuts.
No man, it has to be there.
Is it?
No, that's
peanut
Coke,
and
yeah.
toffee.
Wait.
The red bag is the best bag.
Yeah. Red bag nice. You know which one nice as well?
What is
The
it?
yellow one.
Okay,
The cheese. He's a cheese man still, so
I never had that before.
very, very nice.
Wait for real? Not the
So which one is the other one?
Oh, they got ketchup rings. I hate that.
You remember when you
Remember back in Mexico? Oh, I was here. We used to have ketchup chips. Nice. But it's a different brand. Not that one.
I remember the ketchup brand, but I was never.
No, enough food now. Cheaper. $400. Makes sense.
Water aisle. So guys, we're out of water, so we're gonna catch some. Well, you catch them by the case. How much you gonna get, Jimmy? Like 4?
Also, I do two.
Hard with the,
I do two.
cases.
Yeah, do two.
This is why we eat. Girl body, firm and strong, so we can lift up a case of water, right?
So you're gonna lift it while your husband is here?
Yeah, because he's holding the camera.
But that don't look good.
What about it? What if you weren't here? You're holding the camera. Jay!
Yeah guys, so good look. Pure life, really fresh and nice.
The best one though with the water, I'm gonna tell you about. I don't remember.
I'm not sure.
But I'll keep you posted what is the best tasting water here. But
Yeah.
this is good.
One or two.
Oh, they don't sell Polar Spring water here? No?
Which one?
Polar Spring.
I don't know that.
It's a brand from Maine.
Maybe they do. But I don't know.
Real life is just as good.
Yeah, it's okay.
So Jaden, set those good for your mother.
Bring it down.
I love them all.
I love candles, guys. Okay? This is my favorite smell. Cashmere wood. It makes your house smell.
Yeah?
Smell nice.
Love it.
You know why
And
I like
also,
white.
the clean linen. Where is it? Clean linen is also good. And also this smells delicious. I had the plugins, the candles, and the where's the thing?
So when a lady buy all of these stuff, they don't have to clean the house.
No, you still
Yeah.
have to clean.
Yeah, but
So,
it's for
so
extra.
once the house is nice and clean, just give it an extra.
But I'm not gonna get this, guys, because I'm planning to go on Von Mills. I'm planning to get one in Bath and Body. You know that
Yes.
one, the white one? They're having a sale now.
So the Bath and Body is some good ones over there. They're not
And Winners have a deal on the big one.
I think that
I was gonna get one with the white one.
good brands as well. The plugins.
Right.
Smells really good in the house. You walk into a fresh, clean house and you get a whiff of this. Amazing. But the clean linen, as I said, you can have it in plug-in. Really good, especially in your bathroom.
Yeah.
Amazing. This body nail clothes. Combo. But Before you put your clothes, in the
Where's the
machine,
combo?
combo. Combination.
Let me smell it. Let me smell it, sir. Nice with you. I like sweeties.
So listen, guys, these are the beads. Before you put your clothes in the machine, you take a cup full, throw it in,
Yeah.
throw your clothes in. Your clothes is amazing.
Yeah.
I love Gain products as well. I use that on my clothes. Variety between Downy and Gain.
Downy.
But Snuggles too. You mix the Snuggles as your fabric softener, and you use Tide as the wash. Amazing. Amazing.
What? Where's the beer paper plate?
Yes, 2-3 days at the house. No, pull up the paper goods. Plastic
now buy
cup,
paper plate.
plastic
I
forks.
get some, but
You just pass it.
no, you have them cheaper in Dollarama.
Oh, Dollarama, yes.
Oh yeah, that's a true.
And
This
yeah,
is Mrs.
Dollarama.
Dollarama.
Dollarama is here, and we have Family
No.
Dollar.
Then why I
Back
need to
home.
spend more money for the
From
same product?
Dollarama US?
No, no Dollarama. Family
Dollar
Dollar,
Tree.
our
Five
Dollar
and
Tree
below.
and Dollar
Dollar
General
Tree.
and 5 below. Yes.
Oh, see that,
No
guys?
Dollarama.
And 5 cents.
And Dollarama is not a real Dollarama, and it's $1 plus
Plus
Rama.
tax, yeah.
So it name, you know.
So that's the
$1
same
plus.
with
$1
Family
plus
Dollar.
Rama.
Yeah, something like
And
that.
that's the same thing with Family Dollar. They say Family Dollar, but nothing in there is a dollar.
Yeah.
It's 5 and up.
Yeah.
So just a catch you then.
Just a
yes, guys,
catch.
doesn't it?
It's just
No,
a
but them
catch.
are have some utility stuff, no?
What
No.
you seen at Dollarama personally?
Only
that is
Dollar
$1.
Tree.
Hold on, let me
Only
adjust.
Dollar
Guys, hold on, let me
Tree.
adjust my lens.
Only
No,
Dollar
I was
Tree.
asking. I was saying there's nothing really in Dollarama for $1. What you saw?
No,
for
there's
$1?
nothing for $1, but what I'm saying is that there's some stuff in there cheaper than other places, than Walmart and no frills.
Of course.
No?
But it's not $1.
But it's not $1, but you can get some utility stuff there that's really cheap.
Because one bottle of water is $1.
Only Dollar Tree you get stuff for $1.
Yeah?
Only Dollar Tree.
Oh, true, we got Dollar Tree already. Yeah.
But all these other dollar stores is
Yeah.
$5 and up.
Alright, see that?
Do you have milk?
For sure.
No.
Need some milk. No, me I said for sure we need some milk.
We have orange juice, right?
Yeah, guys, so the team is outside or inside. We're inside, I grab some stuff, yeah?
Outside. This is new to me. I never saw milk in a bag before. This is all new to me.
Yeah, guys.
So
So,
how would I pour this out?
so you need a container in your fridge.
Oh, and you
So-
just pour it in your
Yeah.
container.
So the whole bag is stored in the
See,
fridge.
Jamaica and everywhere else, we learn something new every day.
Yeah, so completely different from the US, guys, where you buy the milk in a, what you call that? A
In
keg
jug
or a jug or
yeah,
whatever.
gallon.
Here, the only option is the box or the bag. You can show.
So guys, when you see the milk in a bag, you know that you're in Canada, right? You won't see that in the US. You'll see it in a
They have
jug.
a variety
Right.
bags of red, white, or blue and white.
Because it's the concentration of the milk. So some is
Concentration or something else,
2% and
which
milk.
makes the milk a two. Well, you know, I'm not sure.
So
whatever.
probably
One is 2%,
2%,
some 1%, some I think 3%, some 4%, some I'm not sure. Lactose free.
Yeah. I think I'm lactose intolerant.
So only you drink the shit.
Huh?
You drink the shit.
I have to, so I use like a almond milk based one. Something like that. Something that's dairy free.
Grab my favorite Sunday stuff. Let me see if Rashida know her husband favorite Sunday stuff. They're right in the area. If you can't guess that.
Oh, you want waffles? The waffles are good.
This one.
Malachi love waffles.
Blueberry. So that's the, yeah man. So guys, you have this with some plantain,
Yes.
scrambled egg, and your
Yes.
waffles and the syrup.
And you are doing just fine.
Great.
Yes, honey.
Some nice ripe plantain and some waffles with some scrambled eggs.
Oh, well, I've eggs already.
It's not every day you come grocery shopping and you expect your cart's supposed to be stacked up. No. Sometimes you already have majority of your stuff home. You just
Yeah, like in
doing
our case,
a
yeah.
quick catch up on what you need to serve you for the
Are you
rest
just
of the
not have the
did a
money?
big
Hold on. Are you just not have the money to buy the stuff there?
Trust me, we have good credit in Canada. So
Money is
the money
there.
is
So you
not
live
the
off a
issue.
credit then?
No, I'm not
Money is
living. I'm
there.
actually going to use my debit card.
Okay.
And I have US.
I'm sorry for them guys. I may help them out still. You know, we
US.
have rice and everything already, right?
And
We
the
have
money's
No, I
not the
don't have any
problem.
rice.
So I look at US over here.
yeah. And we have food bank as well.
Food
I
bank,
saw your name, Rashi?
the food pantry.
You know it? You never
No,
know
me-
it one day.
Me hear about it though.
Yeah, but you don't know it.
It don't matter. No, what may I say is that there's food bank in Canada, so people can't order
There's
rice.
qualification. You know, if you have the qualifications to join the food bank, like
They won't ask too much questions. I don't think so.
I don't think you get.
I think I want to make this small. What's that? The red one. Put the whole over.
Yeah?
Cinnamon roll.
What's that?
My cheat. We're gonna cheat tomorrow.
Yeah.
Make some sweet stuff for breakfast. Cinnamon rolls. Them said 2 for 7. We buy one.
Really?
Y'all buy from you? Or we got a dollar store, right?
No, fine,
okay.
fine. But you can pick up.
So we just put it on the sheets, on the phone sheet.
So when you
so
open this, it just come out? I lie you tell.
No, you
I'm
see
pass it
tomorrow.
all the time.
You have problems.
Pass it all the time, and you know me always think.
I think it's this thing we're going to eat this.
Of course, the sweet stuff.
You understand? I thought what was inside was just the coating,
Oh, no,
not the
no,
everything.
It's the biscuit, actual biscuit.
And we always go buy the
Cinnamon
biscuit
roll.
on the mall.
Well, let's see how this one tastes first.
Yeah, this will be good. It's 2 for 7, so it's 2. Let's see. Let's make it happen.
Oh, they don't want ice cream.
So they're grabbing some cheese.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it.
Right. We're gonna go in
No frills.
yeah, we're gonna go in no frills now. So just pick up like our Jamaican bread. And what else you like to get in there?
Bun.
Like the bun,
Yeah.
or Jamaican bun, and I need liver. Ladies, you know we need to build on our iron. So I get my fresh liver there. It's good, it's very soft, easy to cook. So I have to get it there. So those are like my 3 main things I'm gonna get there. And also what I'm gonna get hand towels and all of that good stuff. Stay tuned. These are like the best plantains in on all of Ontario and for a cheap price tag of 88 cents. I'm just gonna grab 3 because we have 2 already, right? So this is topping up, guys.
So we have these 3 right here. Yeah, we done finish shopping, and them want guess the price.
Alright, so Jade go first. Guess the price. 330. Nobody can hear you. How much?
Come up front. Come up front. No, come up front. May the people let me see you. Come.
330.
330. All right.
Too high.
Anyway, I'm not gonna in still.
No, guess the
I
price.
will go with roughly about 130 to 150.
130 to 150. Right.
That plan to say 130.
But still keep your answer to see.
Alright, I would say alright, so but I have oxtail in it, so 145.
Right. So you just within make a range.
Yeah.
Give me a range. 145 to 160.
145 to
Yeah, to about 160, yeah.
well the tax high.
Because
I
can
don't
walk
think
on.
it reach 160.
And they get reach 160.
Maybe because we have malt and all the good stuff. Oh, and Mika pick up all these goodies, $7.
2 for 7, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see.
It's around what the most 145, 165.
Tops.
Top.
Alright, and Mika say 160 tops.
She say 130 to
Mika look like she want change her hands.
No. I say 130, 150 the most.
150 the most. Alright, that's a strong.
165 the most.
Alright, good. So guys, watch out.
So
Alright,
guys, we make a guess, you know.
Put on the smart cap. Alright, so I'm missing now. Cause she a challenge me, you know, guys. She's so short, she keep hold the camera. She a challenge me, and she wanna, you know. Alright, let me see. On the teeth, my answer still. Me just say 150.
150?
Yeah, because all right, between 130 and 150, guys.
130 and 150.
So final 130 to 150. So make us see what I want. Watch what I want.
Guys,
150.
150, alright.
150. Well, we say same thing.
Because that's what I
I
said
feel
the
like
first
we got to
time.
165 with the tax.
All right, so make us see what I want.
Alice, we have 2 waters in the bottom.
Okay.
All right,
Back, please.
you can change, I guess, you know.
No, I'm not going to change.
Yeah, you think about 150 still. Yeah, guys, so we're there at cash out, you know. Yeah, man. Heading to No Frills next, right? Because there are some products that we didn't get here.
Bring the cat from Russia.
Alice, remember the water.
Where's Jada?
You want me to scan it?
Jada, you
Allison?
feel work the cat, you know.
You want me to scan it with the gun? Here.
Guys, today ladies at work, right?
It's a cell phone or
Yeah, it's a cell phone.
no, it's such big.
Yeah, and it's clear too.
Yeah.
You have to chuck them here first, right? Because we have meat on it.
Jada, help out to grab 1 and 2 stuff. Our trees are crowd. Maybe trees are crowd, don't it?
Ice cream.
When we go all over the place and everything.
Right there, your front ice cream in it, so
I'm getting a lot of help today.
Wow, it look like it gone at 180, you know.
180.
I don't know, I not see it, but it just a come to my mind. Guys, I feel like I take back my guess. Right now I feel like saying 180.
This is Walmart, you know.
162?
I'm the winner.
No, but we say 150, no?
I'm going to say 165.
Alright guys, Rashida won this one.
Okay.
162.
So Jermaine, how you feel about me winning the bet?
You bet?
Yeah.
No, you just have a lucky bet, you know what I say?
Say nothing, so really good at the guess
Huh?
based on the tax.
Yeah guys, so you don't know outside it's 30 what? 32, 33 degrees Celsius, right? It's a great day for some sporting activities. What you want to do? You want to do some canoeing?
Save money and live better.
Save money and live better.
That's it. Walmart.
So it's really hot outside now. What we're going to do right now, we're going to change some US dollars because we realize that most of the places that you visit and you're trying to purchase something when you have US dollars, it's like it kind of creates some hassle and you have to call the manager and so on for the person who serving you to to take the US dollars, right? Because you don't know you have to do the exchange and all of that. So we'll go to the bank, Scotia Bank. Show them Scotia Bank, right? Before we're going no frills, we're going to go to Scotia Bank, change some of the strong currency, the good currency, right? So we can spend money and all of that. And you don't know, guys. So watch what go on Scotia Bank where you go and change the money. So the team in a no frills, so we're going to grab some stuff, small stuff, and now do no big shopping, right?
Frills,
No big
frills.
shopping. We just have grab some
About
items
$30 shopping.
and head out.
$30.
And then head out, guys, alright? Oh, see the strawberries in there? You got your strawberries. Nice for shakes. Oats, strawberry.
What's our strawberry peanut butter? Né?
Yeah, women don't know about the
I
peanut
never have
butter
it
part
with the peanut
though.
butter yet.
I make up tea.
No? Buy 2-pack. We always pick up 2.
You want two?
Oh yeah. No, one good.
Orange for $3.99.
So guys, you see the oxtail here? $1 more expensive.
Purple.
And that's Rashi's favorite. Fresh beef liver.
It's really fresh. Boy, I'm not telling you, like Canada liver softer than and fresher than Jamaica one. Yeah. Can I have the liver, please? I want like it depends on the strip. That one you have at the front. Yeah, that's fine.
And the one in front
And
of
the
it.
one in front. Yeah, that one. Yeah. And there's one in the, yeah. That's it. Yes, that's it.
I love liver, man.
Yeah, little piece there. I'm never sure if I'm going to just see if you can sit.
Tell your subscribers how much you love liver.
10 out of 10. And guys, there's a trick to cooking liver. The next time I'm going to cook liver, I'm going to show you what the trick is to not get your liver tough, but to make it tender and take the seasoning good and spicy. Liver nice with pepper.
Chef gonna teach me that one day.
You try that one here already? I'm not remember. Try Jasmine.
Okay.
I'll try it and I don't want to stop again.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Try it.
Come Jada, help your mother with that. No, so you make me feel call it too much when everything's them about Jada. No, make me call it again.
I may try no. Come round and so we say argument. Come, bring it over. We still at time. Go on. It was 2 employees. It sounded like they were in an argument.
Are you a reporter?
Argument. I don't know what did that happen. Hey, excuse me. Where do you have the flour? This aisle? Okay, thank you.
Huh?
I fast, me did want to fast, but they never did friendly, so I couldn't go fast in them business.
You go on, man. Man, rush your blouse and skirt. So we grab some additional stuff. We're in no frills, and we are cash out right now. We have a good jasmine rice. And of course, good ackee. I'm gonna try the ackee for the first time, so we're not about to buy 2, right? We just buy 1 because it's the first time we're going to attempt this ackee.
This is my downfall with Canada right now. They did not even accept the fact that I had some US dollars.
Yeah.
They looked at me like I had 4 heads.
The benchmark currency, right? So the US dollars, guys, is a benchmark currency. I think is accepted most places around the world. It is accepted in Canada as well. But when the personal experience that persons have when they go in stores is that sometimes they are frowned upon, or sometimes persons look at you like you're weird when you pop out some US dollars.
You experienced that,
So
right?
yeah, I think that needs to be addressed. You don't know guys supposed to can pop out them US dollar and don't have an issue when they try to cash stuff. You know what I say? Because the US dollar is a benchmark currency internationally
Guys, remember
accepted.
I told you in a vlog earlier that in Canada, anything that is outside the norm or what they are used to, they find it different.
Or you might get a second and a third look.
The lady asking up our face like we do something to her, but we not do nothing.
You gotta ignore them, Mika.
Come up on that a little bit. Spin around one side. Watch her. She's still in her car. Watch her.
Yeah.
Watch her.
That's how they are, right? It's a kind of bit closed system, but when you come here, you have to have your head screw on, and you don't know where you are about. If you pay attention to some persons, you will be a victim of silent bullyism, right? You'll be a victim of silent.
Skin up her face. She a drive upset when I skin out.
Yeah, that's how.
It can't happen in a
You have to do things that they think is
you're
okay.
experiencing it personally.
Yes.
So we'll be having a vlog following up this one about things that you may experience as in another vlog. So stay tuned for that. But for now, guys, we're gonna close this vlog. So don't forget
See
to
you
like,
later.
share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section and let us know that you're here, even if you're just saying hi. So I'll see you in the other vlog. Later, guys.
See you later. Nice chatting.
Out.